Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 things that I picked up at the Dollar Tree for our beach vacation. And these are things that I get for the beach all the time. I do it every year. We live in Savannah and so we're at the beach all the time, but we also go on a little family vacation and we're about to leave, so I thought this would be the perfect time to share with you guys our 5 beach essentials from the Dollar Tree. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you guys to subscribe. I do lots of different types of videos on my channel, like lifestyle, day in the life, cleaning, decor, hauls, all kinds of different videos. And if you have any video suggestions, I always love to hear those in the comments as well. If you like these types of videos, I would also like for you to hit that like button. It's just a little thumbs up button right down below. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into this video. Alright, so the first thing that I always pick up are the Dollar Tree beach toys, and I let my kids pick out whichever toys they want. They actually end up getting a few different ones, but these are the little baskets and they come with shovels. Kason doesn't play with these as much as Gracie June does now. He's 7 and she is 4. She's almost 5. She'll be 5 next week. But they get their own little baskets, and then we pick up a few little other beach essentials, and then we also have some that we have just rolled over from last year. A lot of them get thrown away at the end of the summer though if they're messed up or cracked or whatever. But we also have a ton of beach buckets that we've gotten from the Dollar Tree that we still have from last year as well. So the kids get a lot of use out of these little dollar store toys, and we can end up throw them away at the end of the summer or keep the ones that are still good. Alright, so the next item that we always take to the beach, just because when the kids get done playing in the water or they're done with the sand, we like to pull these out, but we get a bunch of different bubbles because they come in about, I think they come in like packs of 3, and we have a whole bucket full of bubbles and silly straws. This was actually from Kason's birthday party, so we're going to be taking these, but we always have bubbles on hand. Every kid likes to play with bubbles, but we also got this little thing that they can pour the bubbles into and use the wand, so we will be taking that to the beach as well. The next thing that I always get for the beach are the Dollar Tree sunglasses, and I let my kids pick several pair because I know that they're either going to lose them or break them by the time the day is done. We go through so many pairs of sunglasses. We do get them like nicer sunglasses, usually around Easter, and those, if they don't get lost, usually last a little bit longer. But I do like doing the Dollar Tree sunglasses just because mine usually lose them, especially when we're on like a beach vacation. The next thing is baby powder. So you can use baby powder, if you didn't know, to get the sand off of your hands and feet if you have no other way to get it off, or if you don't have any, like a water hose or anything. This is an easy way to get that sand off of your skin. And the last thing that I picked up at the Dollar Tree are these pop-up mesh laundry baskets, and I actually get 2 of these. One that you can actually use to take your toys onto the beach, so that way when you're getting ready to leave, the sand just kind of shakes out of the bag and it's not getting into your car or in your hotel room or wherever. And then also another one for our hotel room, so that way we can just throw our dirty clothes into our laundry basket and just throw this into the back of our car when we're ready to go home, and then right when we get home I will wash those clothes and they're ready to go after vacation. Alright, so those are the 5 things that I picked up from the Dollar Tree for our beach vacation. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure that you give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!